In this video I'm going to show you how to change your username on TikTok without waiting 30 days. So first what you want to do is open up TikTok and then you want to click on edit profile and then click on your username. As you can see, you can change your username once every 30 days. So the first option is go to your settings, open up settings, go to your time, and then you just want to set the time to be 30 days in advance. So if today is 22nd of August, I would set it like 23rd of September. Now, if that doesn't work, then what you need to do is go back to your profile, go back to the hamburger menu, click on settings and privacy, scroll down until you see report a problem, then click account and profile. Then what you want to do is type in change username, then click on unable to change username. Once you're here, click on no, and then click on need more help, and then enter the message. You can say something like, I accidentally changed my username, I can't wait for 30 days, please help me out. And actually to submit this problem you have to add a screenshot or an image or video. So just go to your gallery, upload whatever, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.